Ingredients: milk, salt, sugar, eggs, butter, water, dry yeast dough, flour, flour for dusting, condensed milk, sugar glass. In a container, place 200 milliliters sulfur milk, milliliters sulfur water. Place 10 grams the sugar, 10 grams the yeast. Leave it all. Then elaborate 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, put that 2 tablespoons the bowl, the water, the belt, 50 grams the sugar, a spoon no salt, vanilla, 800 grams of flour, knead for 15 minutes, rinse for 1 hour and place 100 grams the flour to sprinkle on a flat super pour flour for 4, placing the dough. Divide the dough into 10 equal parts with the rolling pin needs each part. Placing salt butter next layer. Joining at the 10 layers with that dough, cutting 25 triangles. Sonate the condensed milk in the thick party triangle. Make a kasha in the center each triangle to roll the croissant. Place them on the tray. Apply the egg yolk to each one and divide it to the oven at 180 3 minutes.